In this video, I will demonstrate how to navigate inside the Lesson Activities app in NUITEQ Snowflake. The Lesson Activities app allows you to download and use short, fun, educational activities, and even to create your own in an easy, intuitive way using different types of content such as video, image, text, and sound. The Lesson Activities app offers a way of customizing the display of information, multiple means of representation, in accordance with the Universal Design for Learning guidelines. Using the app is as easy and natural as using your smartphone. Start the Lesson Activities app from the Tools screen in NUITEQ Snowflake. This landing page contains a sidebar with a menu to the left and Snowflake Community Lesson Activities to the right. At the top, there is a search field where you can enter keywords and adjust the search filters to find the most applicable lesson activity. Once a lesson activity is chosen, a pop-up will appear with details, including a lesson description, subject area, and age level. Press the play icon here to start the activity, or click the X in the upper right-hand corner to return to the Snowflake Community Lesson Activities page. At the top of the left-hand sidebar, you can sign in to your account. Signing in will synchronize the activities you have played or created between the NUITEQ Snowflake app and snowflake.live. Please note that if your account is connected to one of those services, you can also sign in using your Google, Microsoft, or ClassLink credentials. Under the Lesson Activities icon, you will see if you are in elementary or secondary education mode. You can switch between these two modes by clicking on the corner menu. Please see the corner menu tutorial video for more information. Further down the sidebar, you will find the Lesson Activities by Standards option. Click on it to search for lesson activities that align with the standards of your choice and filter your results accordingly. Under the My Lesson Activities option, you will see the activities that you have created or played. A switch at the top of the screen will allow you to toggle between your snowflake.live activities and the activities you have downloaded to the local computer. From here, you can add shortcuts to the Favorites screen in NUITEQ Snowflake. The three dots in the bottom right corner of the activity thumbnail will open up a menu with options to edit, upload to the Snowflake community, add a lesson activity to a list, duplicate, export, or delete a lesson activity. You can also rename your lesson by clicking on the pen icon in the top right corner of the thumbnail. In the sidebar, you will also see the option My Lists. The Lesson Activity app allows you to create a playlist of lesson activities. Clicking on Create New List will open up a dialog where you can type in a name for your list. You can later add lesson activities to this list by clicking on the My Lesson Activities option in the sidebar and then pressing the three-dot icon in the thumbnail of the lesson activity you wish to add. Existing lists will be displayed on this page. A switch at the top of the screen will allow you to toggle between your snowflake.live activities and the activities you have downloaded to your computer. Here you can choose to play all the activities contained in a list in a sequential row or play them shuffled. You can upload the list to the Snowflake community. You can also export it to your computer, delete it, or add it to your favorite screen in NUITEQ Snowflake. If you wish to remove a certain lesson from a list, just click on the gray Remove From List icon under the thumbnail. By clicking on the pen icon by the name of the list, you can edit the name. Under the heading Favorites in the sidebar, you can quickly access all of the lesson activities you have added to your favorites. Press Create New Lesson if you wish to create your own lesson activity. There are 16 templates to choose from, allowing teachers to differentiate content. Please watch the separate video for instructions on how to create lesson activities. The last item in the sidebar is the Import Lesson Activity or List icon. Pressing that will open up a file browser, which will allow you to look for and upload lesson activities or lists from your computer or Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive if you have linked it to your account. You can exit the Lesson Activities app and go back to the main menu in Snowflake by clicking on the corner menu and selecting Close App.